Hey, my prepper posse. As you can see, everything is dependent upon the weather. And, yeah, uh, it poured and poured and poured. It's too wet to put my stuff out for the sale. So, wound up just taking everything down, cleaned up. Everything is clean as it's beautiful. I got a little trash pile I got to get rid of, but other than that, beautimous. Beautiful. Yeah, I don't want to put my stuff out in the wet. So, it's okay. Got a lot done today. I'm hungry. I'm going to go eat. Here's the cow, Gypsy. Yes, we have to take her in to see if we're having babies. Isn't that wonderful? Oh, yay. Here's our Christmas present to each other. Nice. It's beautiful. Works great. Dogs are running around. We're supposed to get another storm coming in any minute. So now that we're cleaned up out here, we can go in, get warm, and eat. You can barely see the trees. It's the fog. But everything that we do depends on the weather. You wake up, you go to bed, you're always checking the weather, see what you're going to do. I hope everybody had a great day. Don't forget to play. See you.